mama that I might have met the one. She said as likely as to see the midnight sun. What's it gonna take? What's it gonna take? What's it gonna take? What's it gonna take for me to make you mine? I told my mama you should see the way he smiles. She said until he makes you cry, crocodile. What's it gonna take? What's it gonna take? What's it gonna take? What's it gonna take for me to make you mine? Eyes as blue as the Caribbean, heart as true as an angel's rhyme. I am dreaming of you and me and the love that lasts till the end of time. I told my mama that I'm waiting for the day we'll be together and in my arms we'll stay. What's it gonna take? What's it gonna take? What's it gonna take? What's it gonna take for me to make you mine?
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to check out these other videos that I have posted to see more of my wackiness. And if you want to see even more of my wackiness, be sure to subscribe for all things that are vintage and retro and general silliness.